Works instantly as an anti-aging primer for skin care and makeup and long-term for flawless, younger-looking skin. The super hydrating serum features an eco-designed, biopolymer film that acts as a protective barrier against harmful environmental aggressors such as pollution, allergens, and irritants. This meshwork-like biopolymer also forms a protective, non-occlusive, second skin to prolong foundation wear while providing an instant wrinkle smoothing, anti-gravity firming effect, especially along the jawline and facial contours. Botanical extracts support the skin with a probiotic-like action and help protect skin from Matrix Metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that can break down collagen. A natural polysaccharide refines skin for smoother, more even-looking texture and luminous, glowing complexion. Tripeptides visibly fill/smooth lines and wrinkles. Acts as a second skin to visibly lift, firm and tighten. Perfect anti-aging primer for radiant, more luminous complexion. Provides a protective anti-pollution, anti-aging shield. Probiotic-like action defends skin from MMPs, enzymes that break down collagen. Visibly sculpts jawline with an anti-gravity firming effect. Promotes a smoother, more even texture and tone. Blue Copper 5 Prime Perfecting Serum is recommended to target visible signs of aging for women 40 or for anyone wanting a multitasking, anti-aging primer, helps makeup stay put, long-term anti-aging benefits, and flawless, younger-looking skin. Provides a protective anti-pollution, anti-aging shield. Visibly sculpts jawline with an anti-gravity firming effect. Acts as a second skin to visibly lift, firm and tighten. Promotes a smoother, more even texture and tone. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.